Imagine you've invested your hard-earned money into Raiz, hoping to watch it grow over time. But have you ever wondered where those dividends, the profits from your investments, go? It's like planting a seed and watching it blossom. But where do the fruits of that labor end up? Dividends are essentially a portion of a company's profits that are distributed to its shareholders. In the case of Raiz, these dividends can come from various underlying assets, including stocks, bonds, and ETFs. But what happens to these dividends once they're received? Let's break it down into a few key points. Reinvested for growth. The most common scenario is that your dividends are automatically reinvested back into your Raiz account. This means they're used to purchase more shares of the underlying assets, potentially accelerating your investment growth. Think of it like compound interest. The more money you have invested, the more dividends you'll earn, and the more you can reinvest, creating a virtuous cycle. Dividend Reinvestment Plan, DRIP. Raiz often offers a DRIP option. This means that instead of receiving dividends as cash, you automatically purchase additional shares of the underlying assets at a discounted price. DRIPs can be a great way to accumulate shares over time without having to pay transaction fees. Tax implications. It's important to note that dividends are generally subject to taxation. The specific tax treatment can vary depending on your location and the type of investment. Be sure to consult with a financial advisor or tax professional to understand the tax implications of your Raiz investments. Dividend payout policies. The frequency and amount of dividends can vary depending on the underlying assets and the company's dividend policy. Some companies pay dividends quarterly, while others may pay annually or even less frequently. Throughout the video, use visuals to illustrate the concepts. For example, you could show a tree growing larger as the dividends are reinvested, or a graph showing the growth of your investment over time. So, the next time you receive a notification about a dividend payment from Raiz, you can rest assured that your money is working hard for you. Whether it's being reinvested for growth or used to purchase more shares through a DRIP, your dividends are helping to build your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.